Listen to me. If your base isn't this flawless before setting your face, then there is something wrong you're doing with your skin prep. Period.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here, and if you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. We have a good time. I always say stay subscribed. So in today's video, we're talking about how to achieve a flawless base, okay, for your makeup, because I see a lot of people struggle with this thing. So who am I not to say it or tell you the exact thing to do to achieve that flawless base? I'm your big sister. That's why you need to glue to this channel. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. First thing first, if you want that flawless base, you need to make sure you follow the skin prep step. Very, very important. Skin prep is necessary. I need to make sure your makeup is on a clean canvas. That way you achieve that result. So quickly, we're starting off with cleaning our face. So I'm using these wipes to clean my face. You can use, what's it called, cotton pad if you have. So I'm using this simple cleansing water, micellar water. I will now pour it on my wipes and clean my face thoroughly. Okay, make sure you clean your face properly. I know you'll be wondering why is all these things coming out from my face. I just finished shooting a makeup video, although I cleaned my face, but can you see? That is why it's good to clean properly. And once you are done cleaning, use your fan. Take your time when you are doing your skin prep. On your fan and dry your face before you move in to apply any other product. Is that head? Good. Can you see how dried my face is right now? Let me say this. If you are just getting to see my channel, make sure you subscribe, because this is where you learn how to do makeup for yourself. Okay, and if you are just somebody that is using it as a side hustle like me, a professional makeup artist, bet me you're going to learn one or two things from my channel. So all you need to do is stay glued to this channel. So next step is you have to go in with a hydrating spray. This is from Ageless, Become Ageless. Okay, there's one that is from Mario Badescu. People use that a lot. What you need to do is you need to spray this on your face to bring back the glow. Can you see that my face is dried now? So you need to drench your face using this hydrating spray. And dry. Take your time. Now we're going to use our fan and dry it. That is why it is good to tell whether your customer or you, when you're doing your makeup by yourself or you're doing it on somebody, tell them that skin prep takes time. You can take just 3 minutes or even 2 minutes to dry up one product, and that is okay. So don't be in a rush. If not, that result that you want to achieve, you're not going to achieve it. Can you see that glow on my face? Mind you, I've not applied anything on my face apart from this hydrating spray that I just sprayed on my face that I dried with fan. Can you guys see that glow? That is why skin prep is necessary. And if you want to know whether you can go ahead to apply another product on your face, check if it has dried. How you would check it is when you touch your face and it's giving you that sticky effect, you know you can go ahead now to apply another product on your face. Is that understood? Yes. Next product that we'll be applying on our face is moisturizer. Pamela, can we use moisturizer on the brows? See, apply your moisturizer anywhere and everywhere. Be generous with your application, please. Apply it everywhere and anywhere. Your brows, though, all you need to do is apply a generous amount. There is nothing like excess moisturizer. It does this. Excess moisturizer. No! Drench the face self with moisturizer if possible. All you need to do is make sure that once you are done applying it, make sure it dries off properly. You can use your hand to apply this thing. You can use brush, whatever way that is easier for you to do. Follow the way. We're going to go ahead now to dry it as usual. The next thing we'll be applying on the face will be primer. We have two types of primer. Let me just explain that before I move on to do what I want to do. We have, this is hydrating primer and this is mattifying primer. What is the work of a primer? For longevity. Okay, this is hydrating primer, is to hydrate your face. But then for this is oil control, to control oil. That is what work of a mattifying primer, to control oil. Okay, and note that this is where your foundation will not stay, on top of the primer, so it holds your foundation, so you dare not skip primer in your makeup. Is that understood? Yes. Please note, hydrating primer goes in before mattifying primer. I've just placed it on my face. Let me blend. And also, primers don't go under the eyes. Please take note. Primers don't go under the eyes. Avoid it totally. Next is applying of my mattifying primer. Okay, where do you apply mattifying primer? T-zone areas. Okay, this is your T-zone. In case you don't know. Okay, if you can notice very well, you see that the place I'm applying it is dried. You will not see something like, if you notice very well now, you see that you don't see anything like what's it called, glow. The place I'm applying it, it will dry up the products there. For our foundation, please, when you apply your foundation, less is more. Okay, they are not giving any award for somebody that applied the most foundation. Less is more, and less will give you what you're looking for. That result you want to achieve. Yes, less products will give you that. I just placed my contour, so I'm going to blend it now. When you are blending, please take your time. I'm going to go ahead now to blend out my concealer. Listen to me, if your base isn't this flawless before setting your face, then there is something wrong you are doing with your skin prep. Period. And honestly, that needs to be corrected. Are you hearing me? So I'm going to go ahead now to finish up the look. And guys, this is the final look that we achieved. I hope this video helps you to achieve that flawless base you have been struggling to know how to achieve. And this is where this video will be ending. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, share my videos, comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms as Pamela Chioma. See you guys in my next one. Bye.